Hi, I'm Argam Taha, and this is FleetFlix. FleetFlix is a lightweight fleet management app built to reduce avoidable downtime for small commercial fleets, especially owners/operators and managers running 1 to 50 trucks. It puts inspections, maintenance logs, parts tracking, scheduling, and downtime analytics into one fast, mobile-friendly tool. Here's the problem. Many small fleets still use paper notes, scattered spreadsheets, or multiple disconnected apps. That leads to missed service, long repair time, and unexpected breakdowns. While there are websites and apps that help to solve this, they are mainly targeted for larger fleets that can afford their high subscription costs, but none that target smaller fleets for free. So to make up for that, FleetFlix gives managers one place to capture a 1-minute inspection, record repairs with notes, and schedule maintenance so nothing slips through the cracks. Those records become searchable, actionable data that reduce downtime and make repair workflows repeatable. I built FleetFlix with TypeScript and React for an easy-to-maintain front-end. I deployed it on Vercel. The backend uses Firebase, Firestore for documents, Firebase Auth for user management, and Firebase Cloud Messaging for notification. Full Calendar provides a clear scheduling interface. These choices let me prototype fast while still delivering real-time sync and scalable hosting. When you open FleetFlix, you land on the login page. Since we don't have credentials here, I'll create a demo account so you can test it yourself. I'll use demo testing 2025 at example.com with the password being FleetFlix123. Then sign in and go to the main dashboard. The dashboard gives you a glance view of fleet health, active truck count, recent maintenance, upcoming scheduled work, and general fleet overview. The sidebar lists management pages. On the fleet management page, you add trucks with VIN number, make and model, year, mileage, and status tags like in service or needs attention. You can search, filter, group trucks, add nicknames, and view each truck's history and assignment. Fleet-level bulk actions like export and import make management efficient. The maintenance page stores every maintenance record. Click Log Maintenance, choose the truck, and then add service type, date, mileage, cost, and notes. Part and inventory tracks parts by name, category, part number, and stock level. If stock falls below a minimum, the part is marked low and a notification is created. You can manage orders and accounting for bulk parts. Suppliers hold vendor contacts, purchase records, and spending analytics. On the analytics and report page, it summarizes fleet utilization, cost breakdown, maintenance trend, reliability, and cost per mile, and lets you export reports to PDF. Finally, the calendar gives you a visual schedule of upcoming services, drag and drop to reschedule, filter by truck or service type, and create work orders from events. Try FleetFlix now. Demo credential and live URL are in the video description and submission. The source is at github.com/kingargam/FleetFlix. Thanks. I'm Argam Taha, and FleetFlix helps small fleets stay running and profitable.